Okay nandiyan si Bebe mo, loko.
May kapansin nyo?
Sana all may bebe.
Oo, masisira na naman yan.
Inapakan niya nga
Ayan.
dahil.
Ako, nagkakabisihan ko edit ng vlog. Yung mga may mga copy. Sorry, Roblox so good. This is my nephew. He knows how to play Roblox.
Naglalaro din kami. Kaso wala na kami nun. Delete na. Sabi.
But I don't have time to play Roblox. I have a lot of vlog to edit. And busy taking good care of my my granddaughter and my becoming grandson.